Oh, look at that. Prototype. See? Even pumps 7590. There it is. You can see it going slowly up into that pain in the ass hole way up in there. You see it? Yeah. See this? Catch tank. This is what we're pumping. This has the special anti-slip stuff made specifically for the electronic rear diff in this thing. A Holley fuel pump. Rebuild model. It's working. I'm tired of pumping by hand. Pain in the ass. Wanted to do this for years, so just stuck it in here for now. I already did the tranny, and that's a ATF fluid. 4-course. This holds about 2.5 of this, so we'll see if the thing doesn't fry or not. This is the Grand Sport, by the way. Okay, goodbye.